Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this wonderful conference and office chair. Came in the box just like this, completely put together. No assembly was required. This came out nice and flat, packaged extremely well. The only additional thing it came with were a set of optional casters. Those are just going to simply put on the bottom of these like this and just push those right in, which doesn't take but just a second to do. I'm going to go ahead and do it with the casters. That's going to add about an extra 1.5 inches onto the height and allow it to go ahead and roll around. But they are optional and you don't have to use them if you don't want to. Setting this up, you're ready to go. I mean, this is no assembly required. Wonderful green mesh fabric with a nice soft pad on the bottom. Does come in other colors as well. And it has a breathable little mesh on the back that also has a little bit of give to it, so you have a little bit of support in your back. Another nice feature this has are these folding arms that fold a full 90 degrees. So if you're getting in and out of the chair, needing to slide it underneath a desk, you can easily get into the chair. I weigh almost 200 pounds, supports me just fine, and you can easily put these down. Now you've got a nice conference room desk chair. Loving the fact that this back is nice and springy, nice and airy, a nice tight mesh on the back. The casters glide extremely well. They will glide on hard surface as well as carpet, so that works really well. And then when you're done, the nice part about this is you can simply take it and fold it up this easy and put it behind a door. You can stack these, you can lay them down flat and stack them up in the back of a room. So this is a great all-in-one put together office/conference room chair that you should want to have for your office setup.